one in the cowboy hat who hates colonialism, the one that's shouting down there with the scribbles on his face, the guy that's got half the South Island hanging on his neck.
Point of order, Mr. Peters.
Haka have been done countless times in this Parliament, but after first consulting the Speaker so that the House and its timing is not disrupted. That's what happened here. There was no attempt whatsoever. Worse still, they told the media they're going to do it and didn't tell the Speaker, did they? That's the truth, isn't it? Or am I hearing in denial? No, I'm not. That's the way they think they can behave.
Invite Mr. Peters to
If I've misdescribed his Tamoko, I apologise. I'd easily do that. But the rest of it, I hope, is understood to be true. This person that hates Western values and wears cowboy hats in this Parliament is, as I say, an extremist. And the Maori world has had enough in a poll recently. The majority of New Zealanders massively said that either the Select Committee's finding was correct or should be more severe. Not less severe, more severe. And out there in ordinary New Zealand, they understand what we're doing. New Zealand is a democracy, and whether the Pāti Māori like it or not, and using Maori culture as an excuse for their disgraceful behaviour is an insult to Maoridom.